If you've ever wondered how to check previous passwords in Gmail, there's an important security detail you need to know right away. Gmail and Google do not let you view old or previous passwords directly. That's because passwords are protected for your safety. And once a password has been changed, Google does not provide a way to look back and see past passwords. So if your goal is to find a password you may have saved before, the best thing you can do is check your password manager instead. In this video, I'll show you the safest way to look for a saved Gmail password using Chrome and Google Password Manager. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. It really helps the channel and it tells YouTube to share these videos with more people who need them. Alright, let's jump into the steps. First, open Google Chrome on the device where you may have saved your Gmail password. This works best on a computer or phone that you've used before to sign into your Google account. Once Chrome is open, click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then go into Settings. Inside Chrome Settings, look for Password Manager. On many devices, you can also go directly to passwords.google.com in your browser. That will take you straight to Google Password Manager, where Chrome stores saved logins for websites and accounts. Once you're in Password Manager, use the search bar and type Google or Gmail. If you've saved your Gmail login before, it should appear in the list. Click on the saved entry to open it. At this point, Chrome may ask you to verify your identity. Depending on your device, you might need to enter your computer password, use your fingerprint, or confirm with another security check. This step is normal because Google wants to make sure only you can view saved passwords. After verification, you should be able to see the saved password. If the password is hidden, click the eye icon to reveal it. You can then copy it if needed and use it to sign in to your Gmail account. If you do not see any saved Gmail entry, that usually means the password was never stored in Chrome on that device, or the saved login is under a different Google account. In that case, check any other browser, phone, or device you may have used before. You can also search for other Google-related entries in Password Manager. And just to repeat, this does not show you old passwords that were changed in the past. It only shows passwords that were previously saved in your browser or Google Password Manager. If you forgot your current Gmail password and can't find it saved anywhere, the next step is to use Google's account recovery process instead. So the key takeaway is this. You cannot check previous Gmail passwords directly, but you can check saved passwords in Chrome or Google Password Manager if they were stored on your device. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.